In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a file from Google Drive on iPhone. First, open the Google Drive app on your iPhone. You will see a clean interface with your files organized in a list or grid view. If you have not installed the app yet, you can find it in the App Store. Opening the app is your gateway to accessing all your documents, photos, and videos stored in Google Drive. This is important because using the app gives you the best experience and access to all features. Once you have the app open, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Next, find the file you want to download. You can scroll through the list of files or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. It might be a document, spreadsheet, or an image. Take your time to ensure you select the correct file. This step is essential because you want to download exactly what you need. If the file is shared with you, make sure you have the necessary permissions to download it. Once you've identified the file, you're set to proceed. Now tap the More button, which looks like three dots arranged vertically next to the file. This button opens a menu with various options related to the selected file. You will notice several choices available to you. This is a crucial point because it allows you to manage your files effectively. Finding the More button is simple, and tapping it will reveal the options that will help you download or save your file. From there, choose one of the following options to proceed with the download. If you see the option, tap Download to save the file directly to your device. This method is straightforward and allows for quick access to the file later. However, if there is no download option, do not worry. Instead, tap Open in and then select Save to Files. This alternative allows you to store the file in a specific folder on your iPhone, keeping your files organized. Either way, you are ensuring that the file is safely stored for your use later. After that, if you are looking to save a photo or video, tap Send a Copy, and then select Save Image or Save Video. This option is tailored specifically for media files and will seamlessly transfer them to your Photos app. It is essential to choose the right option here because saving images and videos directly into your Photos app allows for easier access and sharing later on. You will see a confirmation appear once the file is saved, giving you reassurance that your action was successful. Note that some files may not display a download option. In that case, remember to use Open in followed by Save to Files to make sure you have a copy on your iPhone. This is important for files that are restricted or not available for direct download. Also, ensure you have the necessary permissions to download the file if it was shared with you. This step guarantees that you are following the rules set by the file owner, making your downloading process smooth and compliant. By following these steps, you can easily download files from Google Drive to your iPhone. Whether it's documents, photos, or videos, you now have the tools needed to manage your files effectively. Always remember to check your permissions and options available to you. With practice, this process will become second nature. Thank you for watching and happy downloading.